Good morning, students. Today we are going to start homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So first of all, we see dy by dx is equals to fxy. An equation of the type dy by dx is equals to fxy, where fxy is homogeneous function of xy, homogeneous function of 0 degree. What is the meaning of 0 degree? This means if we put lambda x at the place of x and lambda y at the place of y, then there is no effect. That means lambda power 0 is the result. For example, suppose if we consider an equation dy by dx is equals to x plus y upon x minus y. Okay. Otherwise, x square plus y square upon x square minus y square. Whatever you can consider. Okay. If we put lambda x, that means lambda is replaced by lambda x and x is replaced by lambda x and y is replaced by lambda y, then we will get dy by dx is nothing but lambda square x square plus lambda square y square, here lambda square x square minus lambda square y square. Okay, you see here lambda is cancelled out. That means dy by dx is nothing but again lambda square x square plus y square upon lambda square x square minus y square. So this is nothing but dy by dx x square plus y square upon x square minus y square. That means you can write it as lambda power 0 x square plus y square upon x square minus y square. Okay. So to check the homogeneity of the equation, we put lambda x at the place of x and lambda y at the place of y. If there is no effect, that means the particular equation becomes 0 degree, homogeneous equation 0 degree, then you can say this is the homogeneous equation. Okay, so note it down. Then after we see some questions. Now see a question. Show that the differential equation x minus y dy by dx is equals to x plus 2y is a homogeneous differential equation. So first of all, we check whether the given homogeneous equation is given differential equation is a homogeneous or not. Okay. So afterwards we see how to solve this particular homogeneous differential equation, that means method of solving homogeneous differential equation. But first we see whether this given homogeneous differential equation is homogeneous or not. So first of all, we write it in the form of dy by dx x plus 2y upon x minus y. Okay. Now put replace x by lambda x and y by lambda y. We will get dy by dx is equals to x lambda x plus 2 into lambda y and lambda x minus lambda of y. So lambda x plus 2y and this is lambda x minus y this is cancelled out, so you can write it dy by dx is nothing but lambda power 0 x plus 2y upon x minus y. So this is nothing but, okay, 0 degree equation in lambda. Okay, so we can say this is the homogeneous differential equation. अगर यहाँ लैम्डा बच जाता कोई भी पावर लैम्डा की, okay, so this is not a homogeneous differential equation. Supposed to be this is fxy, okay, then this is nothing but lambda power 0 f of xy, lambda power 0 f of xy dy by dx. That means if we get 0 degree equation in lambda, then we can say this is the homogeneous differential equation. कभी कभी बोर्ड में एक नंबर में सेम क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, check whether the given differential equation is homogeneous or not. So it's so simple. Only you put lambda x at the place of x and lambda y at the place of y. If lambda is cancelled out, that means after substituting these value will get differential equation is 0 degree. Okay, then this is homogeneous differential equation. And afterwards we are going to see how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. Now, method of solving homogeneous differential equation. So see, like we have method of solving homogeneous differential equation. Differential equation. This is so easy. Let we have given a homogeneous equation, differential equation dy by dx is equal to fxy. Okay, this is equation number 1. Put y by x is equals to v, then this is y is equal to vx. Differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is nothing but v plus x dv by dx. See, y is equals to vx. Okay, y is equals to vx. That means dy by dx is nothing but first function v, differential of second function with respect to x 1, and the second function x, differential of v with respect to x. So v plus x dv by dx. Now put this value in equation number 1, we will get v plus x dv upon dx, and this is nothing but, see, if you put y is equal to vx, then x is cancelled out. Okay, so this is simply function of v. Okay, and then x dv by dx, this is nothing but f of v minus v. So dv upon f of v minus v is equals to dx upon x. That means variable separable. Before that I had already taught variable separable. That means you separate the variable. Where v we can write v, where x we can write x. Then we will get like this. Okay. So on integrating both sides, we will get the solution. If you integrate, you will get the solution of this homogeneous differential equation. So first of all, note down, and then we see the question based on this homogeneous differential equation. Note it down. Now see, another substitution is also there. That means second one. Sometimes dy by dx. That means dx upon dy is equal to f of xy. This is of the form dy by dx. Now dx upon dy is equals to f of xy. Then in this, at this time we put x upon y is equal to v. So x is equal to vy. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, not y. Differentiating with respect to y, we will get dx upon dy. This is v plus y dv upon dy. पूरा पूरा क्या होगा, अपोजिट हो गया. समटाइम्स वी विल गेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द टाइम x upon y. Okay, so y, x upon y we put v, then x is equal to vy, then differentiating with respect to y, dx upon dy. V first function, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1, and y and then dv upon dy. Now put this value here, we will get v plus y dv upon dy. This is nothing but f of v simply, because if you put x is equal to vy, we will get only function of y. So this is again y dv upon dy is nothing but f v minus v, and then dv upon f of v minus v, and this is equals to dy upon y. On integrating both sides, we will get the solution. The same type, no problem. Only x upon y, because sometimes if we put this substitution, question is so easy. Otherwise, it is so tough. Okay, note it down. So we are going to solve some questions based on this homogeneous differential equation. So let us consider the first example, which you already saw. The given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. So x minus y dy by dx is equals to x plus 2y. This is the question. Okay, before that you had already saw this is the homogeneous differential equation. Now what is the solution of this differential equation? So see, dy by dx, this is nothing but x plus 2y divided by x minus y. Okay, now put y by x is equals to v, that is y by y is equals to vx. Okay, so from this dy by dx is what? V plus x dv by dx. Clear? If we put here in equation number 1, we will get v plus x dv by dx, and this is nothing but x plus 2vx divided by x minus vx. So x is cancelled out, 1 plus 2v divided by x is common, 1 minus v. Okay, so as you see in the theory, this is the function of v only, and this is v plus x dv by dx. So x dv by dx, this is nothing but 1 plus 2v divided by 1 minus v minus of v. Okay, so this is nothing but x dv by dx, this is equals to 1 plus 2v minus v plus v square. Okay, and divided by 1 minus v. You know this thing? Okay, and this is nothing but x dv by dx. So first you note it down here. Okay, afterwards we see, because there is no space. Note it down. You may completed this one. Now see, if we see this one, this is nothing but x dv by dx, this is nothing but 1 plus v square divided by 1 minus v. So this is nothing but 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square. dv is equals to dx upon x. So as the theory, the same thing will come. Function of v, function of x. On integrating both sides, we get this is log x. But what is the integration of this? This is of the form what? Px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c. So see this integration of this particular function. Okay. this is of, if we write minus dx, then this becomes v minus 1. Okay, if we put here minus, then this is v minus 1. And now if you put this one is as a t, then 2v plus 1, 2v plus, so we make this as a 2v plus 1. So see here, 1 upon 2, 2v plus 1, okay, and minus of 3. See this one, 2v plus 1 minus of 3. If you calculate this one, you will get v minus 1, okay, and divided by v square plus v plus 1, and dv is equal to minus log x plus log c, because जैसा कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन आना चाहिए, लॉग में सारे फंक्शन आएंगे तो कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन लॉग में, ठीक है। एंड नाउ इंटीग्रेटिंग दिस वन, नाउ इफ वी पुट b square plus b plus 1 is equal to t, then this is 2v plus, first you write this 1 upon 2 integration of 2v plus 1 upon v square plus v plus 1 dv, and minus 3 by 2 1 upon v square plus v plus 1 dv, and this is minus log of x and plus log of c. Now if we put this as a t, then 2v plus 1 dv is equal to dt. This is integrated simply, and this one is what? 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so you can integrate and put the value of v, and then replace value of v as a what? X and y, you will get the solution. Okay, so this is also example number 15 in your book, so you can take help from that and complete this question. Okay, and now after this question we are going to see question number, example number 17. This is of the form x upon y. Okay, so note it down. See example number 17, 2y, so that the given differential equation is an homogeneous equation, and find the particular solution if given that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So you know how to show the given differential equation is homogeneous. You put at the place of x lambda x and the place of y lambda y. If it is 0 degree in lambda, then you can say the given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. So first we write the differential equation, 2y e to the power x upon y dy is equals to y e power x y dx, dx, and this is nothing but plus y minus 2x e power x by y dy is equals to 0. Okay, see, if this is x by y, okay, and if you put y by x is equal to v, okay, then solution is so tough. So you just see from here, if it is x upon y, then you take substitution as a x upon y is equals to v. जैसा कि हमने दो तरह का बताया था ना, टू टाइप्स ऑफ डिफरेंशियल, y in first one y by x is equal to v, in second one x upon y is equal to v. So the second one form this one. Let x upon y is equals to v, so x is equal to vy, then x is equal to vy, then dx upon dy, differentiating with respect to y, v plus y dv upon dy, and put here dy by dx is what? Dy by dx is nothing but, from this equation you just see what is value of dy by dx, sorry, dx upon dy, dx upon dy. What is the value of dx upon dy? Dx is here, this is downside, then this is upside, and this is downside. Okay, so minus of y minus 2x e power x upon y divided by 2y e power x upon y. This is the value of dx upon dy. See, this is the value of dx upon dy. Okay, and then if we multiply minus here, then dx upon dy, this is nothing but 2x e upon x upon 2x e power x by y minus y divided by 2y e to the power x by y. Clear? And you know how to check the homogeneity? You may check it, okay? At the place of x lambda x and at the place of y lambda y, you put. It is given in question also. Okay? So this one is dx upon dy. So at the place of dx upon dy, v plus y dv upon dy. This is nothing but 2. At the place of x, vy, 2vy e to the power x by y is v minus y divided by 2y e to the power v. Then y is common, 2v e to the power v minus 1 divided by 2y e to the power v. Y cancelled out. So this is nothing but v plus y dv upon dy, and this is nothing but 2v e to the power v minus 1 divided by 2 e to the power v. Okay, and now calculate. You will get only what? V and y. Equation in v and y, and simply integrate. You will get the solution. Okay. So thank you.